I'm going to show you how you can delete your 14-day free trial on Crunchyroll. Now, if you're on Android, all you have to do is that you have to go to the Play Store and then you have to go to your account here. Now, on your account, go to Payments and Subscriptions. On Payments and Subscriptions, go to Subscriptions. Once here, if there is a Crunchyroll trial, you'll see the Crunchyroll trial right there. Just tap on that. And then you can tap on the button to stop the cancel subscription. Now, after you cancel the subscription, your 14-day free trial will be stopped along with it as well. Meanwhile, if you're on iPhone, the way you can stop the 14-day free trial on Crunchyroll is that first off, you have to go to Settings. Now on Settings, go to your Apple ID account here. Now on here, tap on Subscriptions. Now again, if it's a subscription you have here, it will appear here. So you just have to tap on that and then you can tap on the subsequent button to cancel the subscription, as easy as that. After you cancel the subscription, obviously your free trial will be paused and then you won't get any more of the benefit for Crunchyroll Premium, whichever tier you have.